Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel to learn English grammar basics. If English grammar has always seemed confusing, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Language basically is made up of alphabet like A, B, C up to Z. They are divided into two types. First type is vowels A, E, I, O, U, and second type is consonants. All the alphabet other than vowels. These alphabet then join and make words, for example, cap, bat, good. These words then make phrases, clauses, and sentences that we use in our day-to-day language, but often complicate in our written exams. So let's simplify these three concepts. Let's discuss phrase first. Imagine someone says, under the table. You'll probably ask, under the table? What? That's because under the table is a phrase. It has meaning, but it doesn't express a complete thought. So we can conclude that a phrase is a group of related words that works together but does not express a complete idea. On the other hand, a clause is a group of words that contains both a subject and a verb. For example, look at the words, the stars shone. Here, the stars is the subject because it tells us who or what the sentence is about. Shone is the verb because it tells us what the stars did. Clauses do have some types, but we'll discuss them later in another video. Let's move on to our last topic for today, a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. For example, the cat is under the table. Here we also have a subject and a verb, like a clause. So what's the difference? Actually, clauses and phrases join sometimes to make sentences. Now let's see how clauses work inside a sentence. Look at this example. The stars shone brightly because the sky was clear. This sentence actually contains two clauses. The first clause is, the stars shone brightly. It has a subject, the stars, and a verb, shone. It also expresses a complete thought, so it's an independent clause. The second clause is, because the sky was clear. It also has a subject, the sky, and a verb, was, but it begins with because, so it cannot stand alone. That's a dependent clause. Now compare it with the cat is under the table. Here, the cat is forms the clause because it contains the subject and the verb, while under the table is simply a phrase. Together, they form one complete sentence. And that's it. Now you know the difference between a phrase, a clause, and a sentence. I hope this lesson made English grammar much easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!